In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to fix Snapchat is a camera app pop up on your iPhone. When you see this message, it means that Snapchat is having trouble accessing your device's camera. This issue can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'll help you solve it quickly and easily. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and then scroll down until you see Snapchat. Tap on it. Now you'll see the camera option. To fix your issue, simply toggle on the switch next to the camera option. Now I can go back to Snapchat, and it will work without any issue, and it is no longer showing me that message. However, some people do not have the camera option, so they cannot simply toggle it on and fix their issue. In that case, you have to delete your Snapchat app and reinstall it on your device. To do that, go back to the home screen and find the Snapchat app. And then touch and hold the app. Tap Remove App. And then tap Delete App. This will delete the Snapchat app from your device. To reinstall it, open up the Apple App Store and then download and install it back on your device. Open it up. Log into your account. And then tap Allow on the pop-ups. This will allow Snapchat access to the camera, and the issue will be fixed. If the problem persists even after granting permission, try restarting your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix minor glitches with app permissions. Once your phone has restarted, open Snapchat again and see if the issue has been resolved. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.